Nag-video gapon ka?
Hiyam ka ka. Ang sa may masulti ni mo sa ilang bawal.
Sorry, wala pa ko naka-flash. Buang. Gusto mo flash?
Asa daw?
Sa baliya.
Sa bayam ni Iba. Yellow to ganina.
Puti na!
Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Obcezzd Designs. I'm Princess Masong, Head Designer and Creative Director at AMIS, Masong Architectural Services. I have been in the design industry for 3 years, but my family has been constructing buildings, houses, and renovating spaces for as long as I can remember. Well, I believe it runs in the blood, and this is my time. Stay with me as I share some of my project reveals, practical advices, and challenges every designer faces in this industry. I am Cess, and I'm obsessed with design. For today's episode, we are going to... So, without further ado, let's dive into the video. Spotlight Dance Studio Co. is a business established by Miss Ellen Maritan as an outlet for her passion in dance. The structure itself is a little dated, that's why Miss Tan is slowly improving the studio space by space, starting with this bathroom. This bathroom is originally one space with 2 access doors, one from the main studio and the other from a multi-purpose room. The space had 2 functions, toilet and bath. Since no one is really staying in the studio and as per experience, Miss Tan's dance students don't really use the shower, I have decided to separate the 2 spaces completely. Make one space adjacent to the studio as a powder room and the other space as a storage and changing room. This was a huge project to take on despite its size. Imagine we had to change the entire plumbing system since we are relocating the water closet and lavatory from its original place to the opposite side of the room. We also had to erect one wall as partition for the 2 spaces. Now it's time to shop.
Ano siya pag-open din. Cut! Hindi na mag-ipunit ng mga dahon, ma'am.
Tapos, you put it in the styrofoam.
Asa daw? Di murag ka ito, may bermuda sa mo, ah. Ano nagikuha, no?
Like you mean it. And then spread out.
Meet ako. Bye.
So there you have it, guys. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click that notification bell so you get notified every time we have a new upload. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!